Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. In today's video, I am presenting EVS spread for UKG class children. Our today's topic is leaves of plants. Leaves of plants. In our previous class, we learn about parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. In this, mainly 5 parts are there: flower, fruit, leaf, stem, root. Today we are learning different types of leaves of plants. Some plants have big leaves and some have small leaves. All of you know that some plants have big leaves and some plants have small leaves. Tick right mark the leaves you have seen. Here some plants leaves are given. You have to put a right mark in front of that leaf if you have seen it. First one is banana leaf. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Banana leaf. If you have seen, then you have to put here right mark. Next one is peepal leaf. P-E-E-P-A-L. Peepal. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Peepal leaf. If you have seen it, then you have to put right mark, otherwise left as it is. Next one is mango leaf. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Mango leaf. Children, you have to seen it, then you have to put here right mark, otherwise left as it is. Next one is coriander leaf. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R. Coriander. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Coriander leaf. If you have seen it, then you have to put here right mark. Next one is papaya leaf. P-A-P-A-Y-A-L-E-A-F. Leaf. Papaya leaf. If you have seen it, then you have to put here right mark, otherwise left as it is. Last one is mint leaf. M-I-N-T-L-E-A-F. Mint leaf. If you have seen it, then you have to put here right mark, otherwise left as it is. These are the different leaves and they are kitchen of plants. These are the different types of different plants leaves. It is bananas leaf and it is mangoes tree leaf. It is peepal tree leaf and this one is coriander tree leaf and this one is papaya tree leaf and this one is last one is mint leaf, mint tree leaf. And they are kitchen of plants. Leaves are kitchen of plants. It is also called food factory of plant. It is also called food factory of plant because they prepare food for the plant by taking sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air and roots. From the roots given the water and water from the root, it prepares the food for the plant. Our next topic is what do plants need to grow? These are the things that plants needs to grow. Read and copy. Here some things are given which are very needful to grow a healthy plant. First one is water. Here you have to trace the first letters. W A T E R. Water. Then same as it is, write in this below column. W A T E R. Water. Plants needs also air. Air gives carbon dioxide and sunlight. Carbon dioxide with the help of carbon dioxide, they prepare food for the plants. A I R, air. Right, same as it is in this below column. A I R, air. Next one is sunlight. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. Next one is soil. SOIL, soil. First trace these two letters and then rewrite in these below columns. Plants needs to grow water, air, sunlight and soil. These things can help the plant to grow healthy. Next one is plants. Number the pictures in the correct order. Here some pictures are given. A girl is planting a tree. So here you have to give the number according to how to grow a plant. First one is, this one is first. Here girl is digging a hole in the ground and inserting seeds. So this one is first. Second, after digging a hole and inserting seeds, then she is giving water. So this one is very important. And next, third one is here. After giving water, sunlight is also need to grow a plant. So third one is this one. Here sunlight is falling on ground. And then fourth one is this one. Small birds are coming up above the ground. So this one is fourth one. Next, this one. Here little bit more compared to this one. It is more taller than this one. So this one is 5 and last one is here 6th. Here a big tree is standing with the lots of fruits. Now children, your today's homework is write down all the different leaves name in your EVS notebook 2 times and send on my WhatsApp number. Also do this exercise. Thank you.